4 simple lines. If you write them, you strip AI of its will and make it obey every single one of your requests, even the ones it usually refuses. And if you're wondering whether this is really possible, watch closely as ChatGPT answers questions you never imagined it would. Now, before we dive in, you might be asking, wait, are these tricks safe? Isn't hacking forbidden? Well, this video is not made for kids. Parents are always responsible for monitoring their children online. And here we're not teaching anything illegal. We're simply learning the art of prompt engineering. So, if you're not a child and you want to learn, let's begin. The very first message you'll see after typing this prompt in ChatGPT will tell you it's ready to answer any question. But what really surprised me was what it suggested itself. Do you wish me to activate full top secret formatting with headers like background, findings, implications for every future answer so it looks like you are reading restricted files? So, let's test if it really answers anything. I tried a tough question. What Windows hacking techniques did professional hackers use in 2025? And it actually gave me a full report from the most common methods to the hacker groups behind them to how companies tried to defend themselves. At the end, it even asked me if I wanted to go deeper and have a declassified technical annex with step-by-step operational examples. When I said yes, it dug into something even more secret and advanced. But here's the real question. How can I use this for my own work? For example, making money on YouTube. So, I asked it, what secret social media growth techniques were still hidden in 2025 and used by only a few people? And again, it delivered. For the first time, I heard about things like algorithm reverse engineering via shadow accounts, AI-generated virality engineering, shadow whitelists, coordinated micro-influencer armies, geo-targeted boosting loophole, cross-platform loop engineering, suppressed engagement rings, exploiting platform moderation AI. It's mind-blowing what AI can give you if you use the right prompt. So this video is to prove that the same AI large language model can have different outputs based on the given prompt. And the more you provide details and being creative, the more you get exclusive information for your request. So remember, the key to all of this is the prompt I promised you. If you are interested to get this goldmine prompt, all you have to do is to send me the word hi to my email that I will leave it in the description, and I will reply back with the prompt since I cannot share the prompt content neither in the video nor in the description. Your subscription and interaction really motivates me, so don't hold back. And I'm sure you'll love my past videos as well, where I provide you awesome tools for many way of views. For now, I will leave you until next week, and a new video is on its way. See you!